Now, if you want to connect your spaceship domain to Wix, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to prepare your spaceship account. So, what do you need to do? Well, you need to access your DNS settings or your settings here. So, yeah, want to go to spaceship.com, log in, click on all products, and in here you should see domains at the website. Go and just click or select that. And you want to go to the right side here, click on Domain Manager. Now, inside Domain Manager, what we need to do is we want to go and just select our domain. Let's go and select this one. Now, at the right side, you want to go and click on Name Servers and DNS. And you want to look for name servers. Let's go and click on Change. Now, you want to go and choose custom name servers. And this is what we'll be using later on. So, in this case, you want to go back into your Wix account. Now, you want to make sure that you have a premium plan here inside Wix. So if you don't have a premium plan, you won't be able to change things here. But yeah, so at the left side, you want to go to Settings. Now, under Settings, you want to look for Domains. Go ahead and select that. And inside Domains, what we need to do is we want to go and provide the net ID. So in this case, you want to go and just enter your domain name here and click on Let's Go in order for you to proceed with the setup process. Now, inside your Wix website or your Wix settings there, you should see the option here that says, yes, I own this domain. So what you need to do is you want to go and click on yes, I own this once you've searched your domain. And from there, it's going to ask you to follow a few things. That includes you setting this up. So by the way, it takes around like 48 hours for the whole process to complete. So you may need to wait for a while. So yeah. So in this case, what we need to do next is we want to go and click on Start at the bottom right. And from there, you should be able to see the option here. It says log in into your domain provider. So we already did that. So you go and click on I logged in. Now from here, it's going to find your domain settings. We already did that. So let's go and click on I found my domain settings. Now from there, it's going to say find your name servers. We already found that, like I showed you before. You just need to click on I found the name servers. Now from here, it's going to give you the name servers that you need to use. So you want to click on the copy button here and copy these two name servers into the name servers that we saw before. Now, once you've added the name servers, make sure to save that. And once you save that, it's going to verify the connection here. Wait for a while. And like what I said before, it might not work immediately. It might take 24 to 48 hours to complete. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.